Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you. The 2023 Porsche 911 Carrera T is here to offer purchasers somewhat greater energy without moving forward to the following power level. It's lighter, lower, and presented with a 3-pedal manual transmission for an idealist driving encounter. Furthermore, the cost begins at $116,600, however with the obligatory $1,450 conveyance charge added in, the most economical 2023 911 Carrera T is $118,050. Obviously, that cost can positively go up whenever choices are added, and on that front, we don't yet have configurator data to see exactly the way in which expensive the T can get. In any case, the standard model is now deceived out with helpful elements that are either discretionary or just not presented on the base 911 Carrera. Boss among them is the 7-speed manual gearbox. However, would it be a good idea for you inclined toward the 8-speed PDK transmission? It's accessible as a no-cost choice. The 2023 911 Carrera T also gets limited edition Porsche torque vectoring, another feature not offered on the entry-level 911. It rides on a PASM sports suspension with a lower suspension, and the Sport Chrono package is included. Again, these are all standard items with a starting price of $118,050. And in order to save weight, there is a thin killer in the back seat is gone, although it can be put back freely. In total, the Carrera T shaves about 100 pounds off the 911 base. The available equipment is combined with the basic 911 3.0-liter twin turbocharged engine, producing 379 horsepower. As such, it not only sits between the entry-level 911 Carrera and the 443 HP Carrera S in price, but it balances the scales in features. You can expect to see the 2023 Porsche 911 Carrera T at dealerships next spring.